Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to put page number in front of a picture in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the Insert menu and click Header option. Then choose a header format, then go to the insert menu and click page number option, then click the top of page and select plain number 2. Now we can see we put page numbers in this page and we click the page, double click and again double click on the header, then go to the insert menu and click pictures option, then choose a picture on our file. Now we can see here we select this picture and insert it. Click the picture and go to the wrap text option and choose in front of text or behind text. Then resize the picture on the page. Then double click on our page. Or go to the design and click the close header and footer, and we can see here we put picture on the page numbers in front of picture. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.